Hi, this testimonial is for Angel Martinez and everything that he has taught me over the last couple of years. We've been working together for a while since both of our businesses were smaller than they are now. And what I think is a lot different about Angel is the way that he incorporates so many other things just besides social media. That seems so surface level, but he really reminds you to bring in all of that mindset and everything that you've brought to this business. Like deep down, why did you start this business? How do you want to connect with these people that you want to be your clients and that you want to help? How do you really connect with them? It's not just who you're in front of. It's not just making an impression and being the biggest and the baddest out there. It's really, how do you connect with them is the biggest thing that he has shown me and reminded me week after week of what I need to do. And I really honestly don't think I would be where I am today without continuing to work with Angel and his whole team. So thank you.